Alright everyone, there are two queens I just purchased. No attendants. They were in a hotel, I guess. I don't forget what they call them, with the attendants in it. So they were getting fed through the screen. So bringing them home now, getting them into the nukes. Oh, that's right. It's called the Queen Castle. I think that's what they call it.
So that's the traffic I was stuck in going north on Route 3. Luckily, I'm going south now.
All right, everyone. I'm back home. It's 5 o'clock. And got my queen bees here. One's Carnolian and one is an Italian. I don't know which one's which. They look the same to me. This one looks like it's got stripes, more prominent. I don't know. Well, at least they're marked. They both have green dots on it for this year. And it'll make them easier to identify or find in the hive. Again, this hive here, I was thinking of, I don't know, I just got two queens because I thought maybe I should just combine these. This is less than 3 pounds and it's less than what's in the other nuke that I just lowered. So we'll see how this goes. I don't know how old these bees are, whether or not there's enough population here to support this queen hatching her first brood. But yeah, so let me go ahead and take the cork out of the candy end here and go from there. I'm wondering if I should put this right side up or upside down. It's going to get hot tomorrow. Probably easier to ventilate if I keep them up like that is what I'm thinking. But they definitely have to get in through the screen, so I'll put them between two frames, face up, I guess. Don't have to worry about any attendants dying in the cage and blocking the opening because there aren't any attendants. If I had them in a queen castle, I guess they were being fed. So I'll take the cork out of the candy end. That looks like it's free of all the cork. And I don't know, should I put her like that or like that? So, I guess I'll put her in like this. So I've got about, I don't know, 2 frames of bees here. Yeah, they completely covered the cage now. So I'll put the cover back on. Alright, so here are the bees, the amount of bees I have in this box, in this nuke. And I have this space now, so I can just put her just on top of the, maybe not. If I put her underneath there, I wonder if she can be attended to. But which one is this? Doesn't say. I already took the cork out of the candy end. I was wondering if I could just put her maybe sideways. I don't know. Alright, so this is how they're reacting to her. I don't know where I should put her. Like maybe over here. I would be able to, actually, if I put her in the middle here, might be able to see what's going on through the screen. All right, with that cover on and that screened in 3.5-inch hole there, should be able to look in there with the help of a flashlight to see if the queen is still in that cage without having to open up the hive. So definitely was a bee project day here in New England gardening, with moving this hive a little bit lower and inspecting both hives and finding out that neither of them had a queen, and having to drive, I don't know how many, 20 miles one way to get the queens. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.